Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I just have a little update in regards to this new but not so new feature that YouTube has. It has been there for a while, but some persons might not know of it. It's called YouTube most replayed feature, and in this video I'll be explaining what it is and how to use it. So if you're interested, stick around for the rest of the video. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is to launch YouTube and go to my channel, and I'm just going to watch like 2 of my videos to show you how you'd go about using this feature. So this feature is not available on all videos, as you will see in this video. I'm going to be playing a video with 30,000 views and one with 77,000 views, and in this video you will only see that the feature appears on the 77,000 views video and not the other one. So I'm not really sure what the reason is for this. I think there is a number limit to which the feature works with. I'm not really sure. So once the video starts to play, you would need to hold down on the little red dot and slide it to your right. So as you can see, a gray graph appears. This is the YouTube most replayed feature, and it shows me the points in the video that most persons viewed. So you could also go to Chrome and pull up a few articles to get a better understanding on the feature and what it does and the videos that it will appear on. So that's pretty much the update that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video or you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.